was don't think that we need friends. Serious, desperate person. I think I have such different opinion about that thing because this is friendship is guys is way too complicated. So welcome to the episode number 5 of More Human Than Ever. I have been someone who was deeply desperate for friendship when I was young, when I was a child. I जब भी मेरे अगल बगल में जब भी मेरी क्लास के अंदर कोई भी न्यू स्टूडेंट यूज टू कम, आई लाइक हैड नो फ्रेंड्स. सो इट्स लाइक आई विल बी फ्रेंड देम नो मैटर वॉट. बट क्या होता था, मेरी उनसे फ्रेंडशिप हो नहीं पाती थी. देन अगेन आई यूज टू थिंक लाइक ओ मे बी आई कैन बी फ्रेंड देम, एंड आफ्टर दैट इट वॉज लाइक ओ आई थिंक आई वॉन्ट टू बी फ्रेंड्स विद देम. बट एक्चुअली आई हैड zero friends, like absolutely no friends. So I was so desperate for friends. Even like when I was like in 6th or 7th grade, I did had a whole friend group, but they just went away for some reason. And after that, when what happened that I became friends with people I always want to be. And remind you, that was still in 6th and 7th, and bad, hideous people they were like not child, they were literally like child monsters, I would say. So but I that irony is that I didn't realize even they bullied me. I was like अरे यार दोस्त तो ऐसे होता है भाई. Friendship is such a complicated thing, guys. So after that when I grow up, थोड़े धीरे धीरे मेरे अंदर समझ थी, बढ़ती गई. I reached like I changed my school in 11th standard, and when I was new there, I was like maybe again it was like maybe I can friends with them. But then what ended up happening is that we all the new students, we became friends, and I genuinely for the first time in my life I had friends. Like I mean like I first time in my life I actually had friends. बट आफ्टर दैट व्हेन आई वेंट टू कॉलेज आई वाज लाइक वे टू दिमाग मेरा बहुत चलने लग गया था. आई वाज लाइक ओके, अगर इस बार दोस्त बनते हैं तो ठीक, नहीं बनते हैं तो ठीक. एंड आई विल से दैट बाय दिस टाइम आई स्टार्टेड टू फील लाइक आई हैव नो इंटरेस्ट इन मेकिंग फ्रेंड्स. बिकॉज नाउ मेरी जो डेफिनेशन थी फ्रेंडशिप की, दैट इज समथिंग दैट इट्स समथिंग वेरी रिजिड, वेरी स्ट्रक्चर्ड. Like it is something that I uphold like here. Not like मैं बहुत ज़्यादा वैल्यू करती हूँ इसकी, but I want only people in my life who cares way too much for me. Like a really deep bond. That is friendship to me, nothing less. And it's not like I will be seeking it. If अगर ऐसी friendship होती है तो ठीक, नहीं तो I will be like oh I don't want to befriend anyone that is out there. Then with this mindset I went to college. I made a friend, but then things happened and I transferred college. In the new college I did make friends. I mean like I am a friendly person, I would say now. I mean like I'm very different, guys, with like as compared to someone who I was in my childhood. I was still quite talented, but मेरा talent अभी तक खेल नहीं पाया था जितना अब हो पाता है. So I'm like I have struggled a lot with maladaptive daydreaming too. Stuff I have struggled with, but I have worked really genuinely hard on myself to overcome these stuff. Now अब कहानी में मेरे को क्या लगने लग गया कि आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू मेक फ्रेंड्स. नाउ मेरा डेफिनेशन ये है कि ना पीपल कैन बी ऑन either you become my like closest friend or just stay away from me. But life doesn't work like that, and I was so I start to become so rigid with my boundaries, and it does led me to like behave in some a sort of weird way, I would say. Not weird way actually, but what I will as a 19-year-old will tell you about friendship I have learned is that ज़रूरी नहीं कि लोग आपके ज़्यादा ही क्लोज हो. I mean like guys, what you can define what friendships works for you, like what it is mean for you. Because people like say that oh you need friends. I don't think that we need friends, because need is such a strong word for friendship. I mean like you can survive without anything, and friendship is something I think is the last thing. Sure, you can have lots of acquaintance and lots of classmate people you get along with, but friendship you don't need that. And I'm so sick and tired. I'm like I don't see anyone out there saying that oh you don't need friends, and it's okay. I've seen people saying that oh I have no friends and that's okay. Yeah, because this is natural. Many people, especially when we start to become adult, we don't have that much friends, and it is fine. Even if you have no friends, that's fine too. Guys, about something really important that comes to point. I was reading a Reddit post. तो उसमें क्या होता है, वो लोग बोलते हैं कि देयर वाज दिस पोस्ट अबाउट लाइक, ओ आई जस्ट डोंट लाइक टू मेक फ्रेंड्स बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू सोशलाइज, एंड दैट अदर पर्सन पॉइंटेड आउट समथिंग रियली गुड. इट वाज कि दूसरे लोग आपको आपकी कमियाँ बताते थे, नो, एंड दे टेल यू लाइक व्हेन वी इंटरैक्ट विद पीपल we get to know about ourselves, about our flaws, about the things, about how to behave, and just like stuff like that. But the ironical part, the something that surprised me is that ki not like I know my vocabulary, but what I am trying to say is कि ये तो अपने acquaintance के साथ में if we take frequent part in competition activities, ये चीज़ तो तब भी हो सकती है ना. So why do we feel like, oh, you have to learn to make friends, and like, oh, psychology of making friends, these videos that are out there in this world, or this is how to make friends. You don't have to put that much effort to make friends, क्योंकि कोई सुपरमार्केट से खरीदने नहीं जा रहे हैं, मतलब कोई सामान को फ्रूट की शॉपिंग पे नहीं जा रहे हैं. वी आर लुकिंग फॉर इंडिविजुअल मेनी पीपल हु दे कैन रिलाई ऑन. सो यू डोंट, अगर नहीं बन रहे हैं फ्रेंड्स, दैट इज़ फाइन गाइज. इसको अपनी सेल्फ वर्थ से मत जोड़ो. मेरे पहले फ्रेंड्स नहीं बनते थे, लाइक आई लिटरली हैड नो वन टू टॉक टू, but for my family, I just love them so much, and they're such a great people. Shout out to them. And whether if you cannot make friends, that's not your fault. There's nothing wrong with you. You don't need to fix yourself. You don't need friends. I will emphasize on it again and again. You don't need friends. You will be fine without them. There's so many other things to do, and just because you don't have friends doesn't mean you are a loser or something. You will still have a lot of people to talk to, like haha he casual chit-chats. And you know what will hurt you more? If you go into friendship expecting so much, because nothing, if don't associate having no friends with loneliness. That's so much different. These two things are like this, but we compare them all the time. I mean, like क्या कुछ भी करते रहते हैं लोग. You learn how to make friends. You will make friends instantly. If people are after you for some reasons, are they even your friends? और ऐसे तो like we do talk to many people, right? तो सबको थोड़ी ना खुद का दोस्त बना लेंगे. It is like, if you have like you think that everyone is your friend, that is fine too. If you think that, oh, I don't want to make friends, that is fine too. And I think this is not never talked about, that I don't want friends. कि क्या गलत है इसमें? There is nothing wrong, because I still love to hang around with people. I still love to do competition. I still love to do things that involve many people. Now you will be like, oh no, this is not, but this is what friendship means. Not to me. Discussion is over. It doesn't mean friendships to me. बात खत्म. But you don't have to go around it with people and say, oh, I don't want to make friends, and you think that I'm your friend but I don't. That is fine. Nobody owes anyone anything. And you know what will hurt you more? Because you will be like, oh, you seek a friendship desperately that hurt you. Now you are like, oh my god, why they are not giving me what I gave them? This will hurt you even more than anything that is out there, guys. But here is the twist, guys. Here is the twist. You do not need friends, but you need people. Okay, why? Hear me out. Do not attack me. Hear me out. Okay. First of all, this world is not isolate ourselves. Okay, here is the key term: isolate ourselves. Even if you are by chance are isolated, then do not even think about telling it to anyone. Oh, that I have no friends. Never ever tell anyone these things. So I am not surrounded by people, or just like you think that you will get sympathy, or even just that if you're just saying it, be careful, guys. Do not say these things out loud about your circumstances, how many friends you have, and these stuff like that, because these are very, I mean, like, think about it. Maybe if something does happen and you have no one to talk to, at least have your family by, or I mean, like, just some people that you can talk to. However, this does not lead to the fact कि तुम बुरे लोगों को भी अपनी ज़िंदगी में रख रहे हो कि oh, she said that you should have people in your life. If they are toxic, then देन यू हैव टू कट देम ऑफ, क्योंकि इन्हीं लोगों से बच के रहना होता है, क्योंकि हमारी लाइफ में हमारे साथ में कितने लोग आते हैं, लाइक सपोज क्या बोलते हैं, डोंट बी बिटर एंड लाइक ओवर डू योर बाउंड्रीज, बट आई थिंक दैट boundaries are something that we will learn as we grow. There's so many different things that we learn as we grow, and I think I will make a podcast about learning and life lessons too. को होता है उन्हीं से बचने के लिए हमको हमारे पास रखना है, तो उनको अपने पास रखने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है ऐसे लोगों को who consume you, who are not genuinely happy for you, because they will consume your life. They are not wishing you well. You know एक टाइम के बाद पता चल जाता है, बट इफ़ वी हैव मेनी पीपल अराउंड अस, जस्ट समवन टू टॉक टू. ओके, यू गॉट माई पॉइंट राइट. वी हैव टू मेंटेन बैलेंस. ऐसे नहीं कि सबको कट ऑफ कर दिया, ऐसे नहीं कि किसी को कट ऑफ नहीं कर रहे हैं, ऐसे नहीं कि बिल्कुल ही, I mean, whatever works best for you. I mean, we will all just have our own experience, guys. That is it for today's video. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe to my channel. Kum Kum Sar. Bye bye.